In this video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange products. So first of all, let me go ahead and create a couple of other products. So let's create some products. And let's create another product. So if we go ahead, view our website, we're going to find 3 products right here. You see, the way to actually rearrange those products is first of all, head to our website, customization from online themes and choosing the right theme, click on customize. And after that, we will choose this thing, featured collection. And the featured collection will be able to choose the kind of way we achieve those products. So we can we can click on here and then we are going to find the following, for example. And as you can see, we don't really have the option to move them. So we're going to go back to our products, and from our products page, we are going to click sort. This is how you sort your products inside of the app right here. But to rearrange the products, you're going to simply go ahead, as I said, to the collection. And then create a collection first of all. First collection. So I'm going to add products manually. Then I'm going to save. After this, I'm going to go to my products again. Then I'm going to select them, select them, more actions. Then I'll have to add them to my collection. Edit products. And here I'll find information about the products. And as I said, as you can see right here from the sort, I can even specify the sort by manual inside of the collection. So if I go to my collection right here, as I said, let's choose a product, this one. Let's choose this one as well, and let's choose this one. Click done. We can manually rearrange them however we would like. Click on save after that, and it's automatically saved. And that's basically it, you guys. See you guys in another video, and goodbye.